Is your partner's snoring turning your nights into a chaotic concert? We've got the solution. Tonight's performance features loud crescendos, interrupted dreams, and zero rest. But wait! Breaking news. The symphony has been cancelled. That's right, enter silence, the unexpected hero. Imagine going from sleepless nights to peaceful bliss. When silence becomes your favorite song, you know you've found sleep's sweetest symphony. Snore no more and enjoy those cozy, quiet nights. Sweet dreams, everyone.